Hello everyone, it's Melissa here and today I'm going to be doing a lip gloss video with my mom and my sister.
Hi guys, my name is Marvelous and today I'm going to be doing a lip gloss video.
Welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. Today we are with the girls. We're gonna show you the simple and easy way how to do a lip gloss. Thank you. Here guys, our ingredients here. We need 100 pure coconut oil. So here we've got our lip glow base. So we have some nice scent oil to put some scent in it. And then we've got our pigment.
I am just feeling the trolley for health and safety.
Yeah guys, I'm just washing the lip gloss tubes just for health and safety reasons, because we know that they've been washed already, but we just want to wash them so that they're proper clean to use on our lips.
Lip gloss base in the bowl, so you have just to squeeze everything out. So for the quantity, it depends. If you want like a big quantity, you buy like a big brush of lip gloss, but we just need it for I am the girl, so that's why we are just using this amount. So we are very excited doing things together. If you are our subscriber who always been there with us, please, you tell us if you ever done like your DIY lips glow before, or if you are new here. So please tell us your thoughts. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe. So I will be putting just some scent. So there you go. So it's lemon and lavender. So lemon is really good for vitamin C. So you put some drop there. Let's putting few drops on it. 5 drops will do. And then you're gonna put some 2 spoons of pure 100 coconut oil to keep the lips nice and moist. You guys, this time around we don't want to be having cracked lips, so you can do your lip gloss at home. Me mixing the mixture, so I'm mixing the lip gloss base with the oil. Please guys, if you are new here, you come across with this video, please subscribe, like it and share with your friends or family member. So help this channel grow. So we'll be showing you so a simple way just you can do your lip gloss at home. So that's me just mixing the mixture. Tell us your thoughts, what you think about the process. I doing this DIY lip gloss at home. So that the consistency, that's how it looks like. So it's kind of like sticky. That's how it looks like. So we're gonna put some pigment. I and the girls we choose pink, so we'll be putting some pigment here. From Sparkle London. This pigment is just really nice and powerful, so we'll be putting some there. Adding some avocado oil as well. So I did add 1 spoon, so I'm just putting those oils so to keep the moist on the lips and then to make it very nice and then glossy. So let me mixing again. So I did just use 2 oil. I use coconut oil and avocado oil, and then some a bit of scent lavender oil I did use as well. So it's time now for me to put the pigment. So we'll be using this nice rosy sparkling pigment from London. Sparkling. Putting my lips glow base with my pigment here. Look like how it looks like. Wow, this is nice guys. Please tell us your thoughts. Please, if you are new here, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, tell us your thoughts. I and the girls, we just decided to do this nice. Look at that. Wow, this is so nice. It's really nice to try. We're putting them in the container. So we've got our 3 containers here. We've got our lip glow container here. So we're putting them in the container, and then we're gonna show you the containers are here. That's the containers. So we'll be putting them in the containers, and then we're gonna show you how we'll be having some nice glossy lips. I'm feeling so excited. We are back with our lips gloss. So it's here. So we're gonna open and then apply. Open and then apply. It's very nicely and smooth. You see that guys, you can make lip gloss at home by yourself, just mixing that ingredient, so you do it. Look at how glossy look. Look at that. Look my lip. Done. Look at that. That's a nice baby pink, you know. We did it. A nice baby pink. Look at her. Look at her. Ooh, we did it ourselves. Yes. We see you in our next video. Please share, like and subscribe. We thank you so much for watching, for your time. We do appreciate, you know. We do appreciate you. We love you so much. Melissa, do you want to tell them something?
Yeah, and keep on watching. It was very fun. And keep on watching, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up.
Oh, fantastic. Melissa did your big thumbs up. What about you?
Thumbs up.
My lips feel glossy and they look nice.
It was really nice. Yes, it was fun to do our lip here at home. Thank you. We love you. Bye. Give that a big thumbs up.